In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook navigation bar down problem. First, launch open the Facebook app. Now, if you find the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, which should usually be at the top, then I'm going to guide you on how you can fix that. Now, you might have noticed that the bar has moved down after you have updated Facebook to the latest version. This usually happens after updating the app for two reasons. The first one is this is a new Facebook update rollout, and the second one can be it is a temporary bug or glitch in the app. Now, if it is a bug or glitch in the app, then there are some ways to fix it. The first thing you want to do, exit out of the Facebook app, tap and hold on it, then tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now launch open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here search for Facebook. Here, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version, or you can simply tap on the uninstall option, then uninstall this app. After some time, reinstall Facebook, log into your account and check. Now, if it was a temporary glitch or bug, then updating the app or reinstalling it usually fixes it. However, if it is still not fixed, then it might mean that Facebook officially changed the design in this new update. So if it is a new design, then it cannot be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.